everyone, it's LPS on TV here, and today I got this Japanese cooking set, DIY thing actually, and I will be doing it with you on camera. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it open. I'm just gonna get my scissors. Oh yeah, and if it suddenly stops filming, it's maybe because my iPod is very full, and apparently I cannot have any games on it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna cut it open. I'm really excited because this is my first Japanese DIY kit. It's with polar bears, and I think you need to make ice cream. Okay, so here's the kit. It smells very sweet. And this is what's in it. Oh, some gelatin, I think, of sort of gel, and some powder, and sticks, and some of these things. They're very sweet, and they're candies. So I'm just gonna look up how to make this because I can't read Japanese. So I'm just gonna look up a video if I can find anything how to make this. But I think this is gelatin. It's so jelly. It's like gel you put in your hair. It's so funny. But okay, let's do it. About the packaging, I love the cute ice bear, polar bear, and the penguin on the top, right there. So you need to kind of make some ice creams, and I looked it up. It's like I thought. You need to pour this in one of these, and then yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Cut it open. It's really cool. I'm gonna pour it in here. Whoa, it has no collar. Lol. It's very funny. I really want to know what it smells like. Oh. It smells like sweet. I guess you kind of saw my face, but that's fine with me. Right there. Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna put it in here. The things. Okay, now we gotta put the powder in the other thing. So now yeah, this is in. I'm not too sure. So yeah, the stuff is in the gel. It really smells very, very sweet. Okay, you gotta watch out with the powder, that it doesn't go on the ground, because then my mom won't be happy. It's really funny to make this. And if I can find some, I will probably make more. But okay. Now the sticks, I've got to attach them to these candies. So I'm gonna do that. Well, I just open these guys up right there. I'm gonna put them on the candies. Wow, it's pretty hard. Guess this is fine. So I'm gonna try one. So first you gotta dip it in the gel. Here you can see it right here. I dipped it in the gel. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. And then you just dip it in here. So it turns white. Right here. I'm gonna try it, you guys. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1. That's good. It really is good. I'm seriously not kidding. It's really good. I was kind of afraid for the gel, but it's very, very, very good. So, thanks for watching, and I really recommend this kit. It's very cute and good. I rate it 10 out of 10. It's awesome. Bye guys!